Hello. In this video, we'll learn how to use licenses in the Cognifit Healthcare Professionals platform. As we saw in the video, how to use the Healthcare Professionals platform, Cognifit offers two main types of products: assessment batteries and training programs. If you want more information about these products, we recommend you watch that video. To use assessments or training programs, it's necessary to have the corresponding licenses. Assessment licenses are individual and for one-time use, which means that with one license, we can evaluate one patient on one occasion. If, for example, we want to evaluate 5 patients on 2 occasions, we would need 10 assessment licenses. On the other hand, training licenses are individual and monthly, which means that with one license, we can train a person as much as we want. During that month, the user can train once if they'd like to, or dozens of times, but at the end of that month, it means another license is required. So, for example, if I want to train 3 patients for 4 months, that means I'm going to need 12 licenses. Now, it's important to remember that training and assessment licenses are generic. What that means is that you don't have to decide which particular assessment or which particular training to assign to a particular patient. You make that decision when you invite that patient. Now, the licenses are only consumed when you send them, which means you could potentially buy 100 of them and consume them slowly one by one over time, and they don't expire. The Cognifit system applies a discount on the price of licenses based on the quantity. The more licenses you purchase in a single purchase, the cheaper the unit price will be. You can check the price of assessment licenses and training licenses by going to the top right menu, the 3 horizontal white lines, and clicking on Preferences. Once here, you can click on the Assessments or Training tab to see the price, in the currency available in your country, of each type of license depending on the amount of licenses you need. Now, it should be noted that Cognifit does not participate in any kind of professional monetization of the use of the licenses. So, should a professional decide to charge money for the use of these activities, well, that's absolutely unrelated to the platform. Now, we hope that this has all been very useful to you. If you require any more information, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@cognifit.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.